Welcome to my all viewers. Let us study about the chemical reaction. It is the last part of the basic concept of chemistry. Study about the chemical reaction. Chemical reaction means that is the transformation of matter into one or more new substance by means of any chemical changes. You know that changes are two types. तुम सब जान चेंजेस हो टू टाइप्स इन सम चेंजेस दे कम्स टू इट्स ओरिजिनल पोजीशन आफ्टर सम टाइम दैट इज कॉल्ड फिजिकल चेंजेस देयर इज नो चेंज ऑफ इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर देयर इज नो चेंज ऑफ इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर देयर इज नो न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज वाटर चेंजेस टू आइस द फॉर्मूला ऑफ वाटर इज H2O and the formula of ice is also H2O. There is no change of internal structure, but in case of chemical reaction there a new substance is formed, means some old bond are break down and a new bond are formed. As a result a new substance is formed. It is a permanent change. So the chemical reaction means the transformation of one or more new substance by means of chemical changes. Transformation of matter to one or more new substance by means of chemical changes. Mean chemical reaction mean a new substance is formed. Compulsory a new substance is formed. The chemical reaction may be the following type. First is synthesis reaction or combination reaction. This is the most easiest reaction. A chemical reaction which two or more simple combine to get a single product. When two or more than two simple element combined with each other to give simple product, that is called combination reaction. That is called combination reaction. The common form is A plus B comes to combine to AB. That is the common form of the combination reaction या synthesis reaction. For example, when magnesium bond with oxygen to form the magnesium oxide, here is two reactant magnesium and oxygen to form a single product, that is called magnesium oxide. As two reactants combine to each other to give a single product, that is called combination reaction. Here is carbon plus oxygen to give carbon dioxide, or lime water or calcium oxide react with water to form the slagged lime. Slagged lime या calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is the chemical name, slagged lime is the common name. With heat, that is also a, as it gives the single product, that is also a combination reaction or synthesis reaction, like sulfur plus oxygen to give the sulfur dioxide, that is also a combination reaction. Next we go to analysis or decomposition reaction. Analysis or decomposition reaction. So analysis or decomposition reaction, the reaction in which a single reactant split or break into two or more than two simple product. जितेबाला गोटे सिंगल रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूलटा ब्रेक डाउन होइकी 2 to 3 सिंपल प्रोडक्ट दे दोचु, दैट इज कॉल्ड decomposition reaction. Mean AB are decomposed to A plus B. Mean a single reactant split into two or more than two simple product by means of the heat or sunlight or electricity, any energy, it split into two or more than two simple product, that is called decomposition reaction. For example, calcium carbonate on heating it decomposes to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. CuCO3 copper carbonate on heating it gives to copper oxide plus carbon dioxide. Its color is black. Very important also question. Very important question. Black. Its color is black. Lead carbonate on heating it gives the lead oxide, which color is yellow, and carbon dioxide. like that on magnesium hydrogen carbonate. On heating it gives magnesium carbonate plus carbon dioxide plus water. It is 3 product, 2 or more than 2 simple product. As this reaction are decomposed on the heating, this is called thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. And silver chloride in the presence of sunlight, it decomposes to silver and chlorine, like silver bromide also to AgBr. This is also decomposed with help of sunlight. These are called the photochemical decomposition. As it decomposed in presence of sunlight, that is called photochemical decomposition. Photochemical decomposition. It is also used for the wash of black and white photo. Black and white photo जो आगुरी यूज होता ताको धोइबा पाई silver chloride and silver bromides are used. It convert to white to grey or black and white photograph. Like on water, in the presence of electricity, in the presence of when current pass through the water, it decomposes to hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen liberated at cathode and oxygen liberated at anode. And this is also electrical decomposition reaction. As it decomposes in presence of electricity, it is called electrical decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. So thermal decomposition reaction, photochemical decomposition reaction, electrical decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction means decompose with help of heat. Photochemical decomposition reaction means that decompose in the presence of sunlight. As it light, that is called photochemical decomposition reaction. The electrical decomposition reaction means it decomposed in presence of electricity. These are all about the decomposition reaction. Then we read about the displacement reaction. Read about the displacement reaction. Displacement reaction means when a more electropositive element or metal are added to a solution of less electropositive element or metal, then more electropositive metal displaced to less electropositive metal. जदि आमे गोटे सॉल्यूशन भितर गोटे मोर इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट को ऐड करूचे, देन मोर इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट कैन डिस्प्लेस टू लेस इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट. This is the decreasing order of their the different electropositive ion. The potassium has the more electropositive than calcium. Then calcium is more electropositive than sodium. Like that, greater than magnesium, zinc, ferrous, Sn2 plus, Pb2 plus, H plus, Cu2 plus, Ag plus. You remember that only more electropositive element can displace to less electropositive element. Mean suppose Zn added into CuSO4 solution. CuSO4 solution mean what? Cu2 plus SO4 2 minus. Here is Zn is more electropositive than Cu. So Zn replaced to Cu and form ZnSO4 plus Cu. Like that, if Zn plus FeSO4, you know that Zn is more reactive than Fe, more electropositive than Fe. So Zn replaced to Fe and form ZnSO4 plus Fe. Like that, Fe plus CuSO4, Fe is more electropositive than Cu, Fe is more electropositive than Cu. So Fe can displace to Cu to form FeSO4 and Cu. Here you see that Cu plus ZnSO4, CuSO4 plus Zn. But if Cu are less electropositive than Zn, you remember that Cu is less electropositive than Zn. so that it cannot replace or substitute or displace to Zn because it is the less electropositive element. So this reaction is not possible. This reaction is not possible. Only these are the displacement reaction. Then we read about the double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. The reaction in which takes place due to the exchange of ion. Reaction which takes place due to the exchange of ion are called double displacement reaction. Mean it always takes place in between the two ionic compound. Suppose AB and AB plus CD. Suppose AB plus CD. Here is A plus B minus C plus D minus. The exchange of ion mean D comes to A and B comes to C, and it form AD plus CB due to the exchange of ion. For example, suppose AgNO3 react with the mean silver nitrate react with the sodium chloride. Then the chlorine will exchange to Ag, nitrate will exchange to Na, it form AgCl and NaNO3, sodium nitrate, and these are under the precipitate, white precipitate. So this is also called precipitation reaction. Like that, lead nitrate when react with the potassium iodide, then iodide and nitrate are exchanged, then form the lead iodide which are yellow in color, yellow precipitate, and potassium nitrate. These are the double displacement reaction. The next is substitution reaction. Substitution means when by the reaction in which the atom of compound is replaced by the atom of another compound are called substitution reaction. गोटे कंपाउंड रो एटम जदि आउ एक कंपाउंड रो एटम द्वारा से रिप्लेस्ड हे गला, डिस्प्लेस हे गला, दैट इज कॉल्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज मीथेन प्लस क्लोरीन. हियर इज द क्लोरीन एटम रिप्लेस्ड टू द हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑफ मीथेन, दैट इज फॉर क्लोरोमीथेन. मीन one chlorine atom replaced to the hydrogen atom of methane. Here is 4 hydrogen atom, here is Cl. In the presence of UV light it forms the free radical, then it replaced to the hydrogen atom. Suppose you again react with the Cl2 in presence of UV light, then it forms again another hydrogen atom is replaced, CH2Cl2. If we react again Cl2 in presence of UV light, it forms CHCl3, which is the formula of chloroform. If we again react with the Cl2 in presence of UV light, it forms CCl4. In each step, one chlorine atom replaced to the one hydrogen atom of methane. This is called substitution reaction. This is called substitution reaction. Next we read the important reaction, that is called redox reaction. That is called redox reaction. Redox reaction means the reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place. The reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place are called redox reaction. The oxidation mean what? Reduction mean what? Oxidation mean either addition of oxygen, when a oxygen atom added to that, or removal of hydrogen. यदि हमें गोटे हाइड्रोजन रिमूव करनोचे, और लूज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन और इंक्रीज ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर और एडिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन. ये चारिटा भितर जो भी कौन सी घटना घटुचे ना कहीं, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन. सर जस्ट अपोजिट टू रिडक्शन, रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन और गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन or decrease oxidation number, removal of electronegative elements are called reduction. For example, suppose ZNO react with C, then it forms Zn plus CO. Here you will see that the oxygen combined with Zn, but in product side the ZNO lose oxygen, so it undergoes, as it lose oxygen, it undergoes reduction. It undergoes reduction, and this oxygen gained by carbon, so this is oxidation. This is oxidation. Here you lose that, here is Zn, here is Zn2 plus, mean it lose 2 electron. As it lose 2 electron, then it's called oxidation. Here is Pb2 plus, after gain of 2 electron it convert to Pb solid. As it gain electron, it undergoes reduction. So otherwise you also see that here is oxidation number 0, here is oxidation number 2. As oxidation number increase, so it undergoes oxidation. Here is oxidation number 2, here is oxidation number 0. As it decrease, it is also called reduction. So it is detailed read about in the redox reaction chapter, okay, which we will discuss in the next class. Though, so that another thing you remember that, so here is ZnO undergoes the reduction due to the presence of carbon. As carbon help the reduction, so it is called a reductant. Reductant कहीं कार्बन ही या को रिडक्शन करे, so it is called a reductant. And carbon get oxidation by undergoes oxidation due to the presence of ZnO, so ZnO are called oxidant. Like that, here is Zn undergoes oxidation due to presence of Pb2 plus, so it is oxidant, here is a reductant. Clear? Okay, the next reaction we will discuss in the redox reaction chapter. Okay, thank you.